If you're working on blending words with your student or child, you're going to want to make sure that the letter sounds they're producing are blendable. Oftentimes when students first learn their letters in kindergarten, they'll learn them in a way that is slightly incorrect. For example, they may think that the letter H says huh, but really it says h, which is an unvoiced sound without vocal cord vibration. This can be difficult when they go to read the word hot and they sound it out as hot, which is not how we pronounce that word. Let me show you, using our digital blending board Blend, how to produce the correct blendable sound for each of the vowel and consonant letters. Come with me. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, a, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, w, x, y, z. I hope this video helped you with producing those blendable sounds and in supporting your students to articulate those sounds correctly when they're doing their blending drill. Please let me know if you'd like other videos like this, or if you have any questions about some of those trickier letters like Y and W and how we exactly articulate those sounds to make them the most blendable they can be. Have a great day and happy blending!